uniform rod AB has a length 4 meters and mass. So this is a uniform link. So if the link is uniform, rod is uniform, then force will act at the center, right?
Yes.
So 8g will be the weight. Total length AB is given as 4 meters. It's resting in horizontal position, supports at point C and D, where AC, I think we have done this, no? AC length is given. It's 1 meter. Is it okay if I count, repetition is not a problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 2.5 means it will come over here. D point is somewhere here. So supports are at these 2 points. So supports will act, the reactions will be upwards, right?
Yes.
So let us say this is RC, then this is RD. Particle of mass m kg is placed at point E such that AE is 3.3. AD length is given, AD length is 2.5 and AE length is 3.3. 3.3 means beyond D point. So let us say it is somewhere here. So the particle is attached it here. This is having it, the weight is downwards, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we need to solve it. It's asking calculate the value of m. M is the value we need to find. So how to find? Given that rod is about to tilt about the point D, that means RC value should be 0, correct? Because it is about to tilt about the point D, this value becomes 0. That's the information we should use. Again, we have to go with sigma V. RC is of course anyway 0, so let's neglect it. RD is acting upwards, then 8g is acting downwards, minus mg is also acting downwards. This total should be 0. So RD minus mg should be equal to 8g. This is our equation number 1. Then we have to take moment. Moment about which point? Moment about D point. RC is 0 anyway, so let's neglect it. 8g into distance. So this distance we need. This is midpoint, let us say m. The MD distance we need. How much is MD distance? MD can be written as AD minus AM. Correct?
Yes.
AD length is given 2.5. Total length is 4. So AM will be 2. So 0.5 now.
Yes.
MD length, let's take 0.5. And it is in which direction? Okay, yeah, it's rotating in this direction, right?
Yes.
So that is anti-clockwise, so plus. RD is anyway passing through D, so we did not take it. Then MG. For MG, the distance is DE. How much is DE? DE can be written as AE minus AD, no?
Yes.
That is 3.3 minus 2.5. So what do we get? 13 minus 5, we get 8.8.
Yes.
And this one is rotating clockwise, so minus. This total should be 0, correct?
Yes.
Now send this negative term to the other side. This term to send to the other side. So we get 8g into 0.5 equals mg into 0.8, correct? G will cancel on both sides. We get m. And this point, if we remove this point, we get 10 at the bottom. 8 and 8 will cancel. 10 will get multiplied here, so 5 kgs, correct?
Yes, sir.